And you, the young people, have the vitality and credibility to crucify the mentality of entitlement of those in power today by doing the right thing. Doing the right thing. So arise, take up your national identity card, go and register as a voter today. So arise, arouse your peers and those still pessimistic to take advantage of this right by getting ready to vote. So arise, grab the ghastly grinding ghost out of power and grant the gracious, glorious guardian so to take the reins of leadership. So arise, shine, for your light has come and the glory of the Lord has risen upon you. God bless you and God bless Kenya.